In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you how to change language of this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Languages and Input. Now go to the first tab, which is Languages, click on plus icon, and choose the language that you would like to apply. So just pick the one that is your native one, or maybe the one that you would like to learn while using your device. Pick the region also, and then set it up to the first place. And as you can see, from now on, the system language is changed and you can smoothly use it. Then whenever you'd like to remove some language, just tap on more icon, select remove, mark the one that should be deleted, and tap on bin icon to confirm. And that will be all. That's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.